Hey everybody, so I just wanted to do a November 2022 update on leads, because I think a lot of people are doing way too much and overcomplicating it, and it's actually really simple. It just takes years of your ears being able to, developing and gaining the knowledge. So I appreciate when you're starting out, it's very tough, but hopefully this video kind of shows you somewhat how it can be easy. So we start off with one bass and one pad, okay? Now this one lead, it's the body of a track, really important, and I've just used a metal and glide pack, and the key is to turn the cutoff to a point where it's not too aggressive. Now in this case the cutoff is all the way around, but it doesn't sound like too aggressive. Sometimes you might have to turn the cutoff down to there for it to sound like this. In this particular case it sounds great with the cutoff all the way up. Now that's a nice low lead. It's got all the low mid frequencies. It's going to now allow us to build something on top of it. So I've now added this one. Again, it's not a big super saw sound. The cutoff filter's not all the way up, but it adds a lot to the first lead. Simple. Now to finish it off, we want a nice big super saw kind of pad, so I've just found this one here. A couple of things to note. Number one, I had to turn the reverb off in Spire because it was just too aggressive with the reverb on. Number two, I've not turned the cutoff all the way up, because if you do, it starts to turn like into a pad. So let's listen to it all now. There you go. So effectively really simple. I've not added any EQ. I've not added anything else. I've just kept it really simple using 3 basic leads, letting the bus channel do the work. So I practice what I preach, okay? And it's really important that you guys understand that. And yeah, don't overcomplicate it. Keep it simple.